Hello, my name is Andrea Ikiwa, and as a health coach, I'm sharing my green juice recipe, but I'm also a mom, and I want my kids to enjoy it every single day. The ingredients we start with spinach and kale. These are very powerful cruciferous, and the secret here is that they have ingredients that are very good against cancer, but they need to be blended in a raw form, okay? The next ingredient that we use is cucumber. Cucumber is very good for hydration and also is good for detoxing. If you don't find the organic form, please peel it and don't use it. Maybe as I am doing, just go for it and use a full cucumber in your blend, okay? The other ingredient that we use is this. This is nopal cactus, and the properties of this is an antiviral and can help with blood sugar. So this goes here too. Another very important ingredient of green juice is celery. Celery is a very good source of fiber. So you do have both types of fiber here, both soluble and insoluble fiber. So I normally use 1 stick of celery for each member of the family, okay? Another ingredient that I use is ginger. Ginger has very powerful properties against inflammation. So this is just so very good for anyone that is interested in just having extraordinary health, okay? Remember that inflammation is what is not being very good today with the degenerative diseases, okay? Another thing that is very good with inflammation is turmeric. Ideally, I buy it as a root, but it's a little bit hard to find it. When I don't find it, I just use the powder, and this is just, it goes directly into the blender, okay? So this is with inflammation, just adding more fiber. We do have the flaxseed, and this is a very good source, again, of fiber, okay? And because we want a super healthy digestive system. In fact, all this is just a way for your digestive system to be super healthy, and all this fiber is prebiotics. And remember, prebiotics is the food for probiotics, and those are all the healthy bacteria that we have in the gut. And if we do have those bacteria happy, our immune system is going to be super happy, okay? Another good source of fiber, protein, antioxidants is the chia seeds, okay? So remember just to activate it at least 1 or 2 hours before you use it. That would be the way that chia seeds explode in their nutrients, okay? Another ingredient that we use is the coconut oil. Coconut oil brings healthy fats into your body. These, what they call the MCTs. MCTs are a good source of fat that go directly into your liver, and they give you that, exactly a good source of energy, and that is transformed into ketones, and even those ketones are good for the brain. So keep that in mind, okay? One of my last ingredient would be parsley. Parsley is, again, a super rich food. It's a plant, it's a herb, very rich in antioxidants, but the one that I'm going to be talking about is vitamin K. Vitamin K is very good for blood clotting, so this is just a very good source of vitamin K1, okay? K2, we'll talk about that later. And just to give this flavor to the juice, my blender is almost full, but I'm gonna add some frozen pineapple, okay? And the pineapple has, it's intentional because the pineapple has enzymes. So if this is one of the things that you're going to start your day with, this is just going to start your digestive process, give you the enzymes that we normally produce when we salivate and we chew our food well. Okay, so it's almost full, okay? And the only thing we use to blend this is water. Be careful with the quality of your water, okay? Because that also counts. Please don't use the bottles of water. Try to have a very good filtering system at home. And if you want to go ahead and use reverse osmosis or something just to take care of the quality of your water, that would be amazing. So I'm gonna blend it and we're gonna drink it. As you know, what I teach as a health coach is just to eat half of your meal that has to be raw vegetables, and the other half can be the cooked part, okay? So this is the way we guarantee every single morning to have half of our breakfast full of raw vegetables. And this is the way we take it. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Cheers!